So good morning my dear students, this is Kiran Kumar Echeveri. Today we are going to discuss about how to get the more marks in social studies in 10th class. So in 10th class every student want 10 by 10 GPA in 10th class, and especially the social subject is the more terrible and extensive syllabus. It have a large size of syllabus, so that's why most of the students neglect the social studies. Actually compared to other subject, social subject very much easy subject. So how to learn the social studies in easy way, ఈజీగా ఎలా చదవాలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో హౌ టు గెట్ ద మోర్ మార్క్స్ ఇన్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ది 4 components. So the first component is the preparation plan. So every subject success depend on the preparation of plan. And second topic, question paper analyze. Question paper analyze most important factor. And third one, question paper presentation in examination hall. This is the third point. And the last one, every student should be awareness of academic standards. So in this class we are discuss about exclusively in these 4 components. So let us first discuss about preparation plan. So in our social subject there is a plan of action. So every student waiting for 10 by 10 or get complete score, but unfortunately more people failure because there is no proper preparation plan. So the proper preparation depend on the proper action. The proper action we are followed smart way, means smart work. So the preparation plan of first we are discuss about hard to easy way, and every subject has a hard area and easy area. First the student should be focus on hard, then after focus on easy. So once we are complete the hard area, so it is very much easy to easy area. So hard to easy area in our social subject we are going to these components. So the topic is the hard to easy. So in our subject which is the hard and which is the easy, ఏది కష్టం ఏది ఈజీగా మనకు వస్తుంది. సో ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ గాట్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 54 మార్క్స్ ఇన్ ఈజీ వే. సో ద కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్, ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ ద మ్యాప్ డ్రాయింగ్. సో ద మ్యాప్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఇన్ పేపర్ 1 and paper 2, 2 + 2 is equal to 4 marks, easy way. And map drawing అంటే డ్రా ద అవుట్లైన్ మ్యాప్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ, డ్రా ద అవుట్లైన్ మ్యాప్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా, 2 + 2 is equal to 4 marks. Paper 1 2, paper 2 2, 4 marks. And slogans 2 + 2, paper 1 2 marks, paper 2 2 marks, total 4 marks. And pamphlet 2 + 2, 4 marks. And map pointing, so this is the essay question 4 marks from paper 1, 4 marks from paper 2, 4 + 4 is equal to 8 marks. Map related reading text analyze, 2 + 2 is equal to 4 marks. So information paragraph or table, and sometimes give the pie graphs or tables or chart line. So in this scenario information skills giving the 4 + 4 is equal to 8 marks. So passage comment, so the examiner provided the passage, you are simply read 1 or 2 times thoroughly, then after comment on passage. 4 + 4 is equal to 8 marks. Finally give the examples. For example, give some examples of hill stations, give some examples of organized sector, give some examples of mega cities in India. These are the example questions. 2 + 2 is equal to 4. And finally fill in the blanks. So the paper 1 5 marks, paper 2 5 marks, 5 + 5 is equal to 10 marks. Total add the score 54. So the 54 marks under to easy section. And every student must be gain the 54 marks without burden and easily way. Next we are going to hard area. Hard area lo so the questions total 2 + 2, 4 + 4 + 8, total 16 marks. And the 16 marks under covered hard area. So the who want to 10 by 10 scores, these kind of students must be focus on hard area. So the hard area goes to 1 mark section, 1 or 2 questions hard questions, the remaining 5 questions easy, and 2 marks lo 1 or questions giving the hard type questions. Next we are going to reflection on contemporary issue question. So many times the question is given to relevant issue and current affairs. Recently so so many incidents are observed in our society, so we are simply observe that and comment on it. Reflection on contemporary issue 2+2 and conceptual understanding question. For example, conceptual understanding question, what is the importance of Himalayas, or what is globalization, what is the impact of Indian economic system, give some suggestions. So are you agree? These kind of questions, reflection or conceptual understanding. Total 16 questions. At easy way 54 marks and hard way 60 marks. Total add that 54 plus 16 is equal to 17. So the remaining questions only, remaining marks only 10 marks. The 10 marks under goes to average area. Average area. So my dear students, I request you all of you, so please focus on which is the easy area, which is the hard area, and entire syllabus divided into two categories, where is the easy part and where is the hard part. So don't bother about average question, very easy, every student must be attempt the average question also, because the question is average. Next, so the part 1 is clear, preparation plan, so the topic hard to easy. So next, to make a short notes, every student must be create own notes. The own notes means make a short notes and one or two lines, and make a heading type. For example, globalization, write down 1 or 2 synapses, and for example mega cities, write down 1 or 2 synapses. For example, what are the causes of First World War, what are the causes of Second World War, what are the reason for separation of Telangana states, and what are the formulations of gentleman agreement. So write down small, make a small note, take a small notes and make a short notes. It is very much useful to final examination. Next, practice maps thoroughly. Practice maps thoroughly. Draw the outline map of India, draw the outline map of Telangana. Practice 1 to 3 times. Next, try to understand, very important, try to understand stories in your own way, and examiner provide number of in your textbooks number of stories are available. First World War story, Second World War story, formation of Telangana story, globalization story, Indian physical feature story, ideas of development stories. So the stories read 1 or 2 times and understand in your own way. So the textbook provider write down number of stories, read 1 or 2 times and ట్రాన్స్లేట్ ఇన్ యువర్ మెమొరీ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్ వే. నీకు అర్థమయ్యే విధంగా నువ్వు దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసుకోవాలి, అప్పుడు నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్, ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఫిల్లింగ్ ద బ్లాంక్స్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్లింగ్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. పేపర్ 1 500 fill in the blanks, paper 2 500 fill in the blanks, total 1000 fill in the blanks available. So every student must be create the fill in the blanks in own way, and you are the creator of the fill in the blanks and try to give the answers. And you are created the question as well as giving the blanks and try to solve the problem. Number of fill in the blanks, practice makes man perfect. Next, the final revision 2 times, entire syllabus revision 2 times thoroughly. This is the first topic, preparation of plan, most important. This is the baseline of success. దీంట్లో సక్సెస్ అయితే కంపల్సరీ సక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ we are going to discuss about question paper analyze. Question paper analyze, you know very well. So the entire question paper divided into 4 sections, you know. That is the first part to section A. Section A lo the examiner giving the 1 mark questions, 7 questions, 7 into 1 is equal to 7. It is clear. Next, section B, the total questions 6 into 2 equal to 12 marks. Next, to section 3, 4 into 4 is equal to 16 marks. So the last one, section D, fill in the blanks 10 into half, clear, is equal to 5 marks. The total marks 40 marks. So in this is the section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, you know very well. The section A lo, so the examiner providing the 1 mark question 7. So one is the example question, one is the definition, one is the example question, one is the definition question, and one is the analyze question, and 2 questions giving the data based questions. Data based question. This is the section 1. Next we are going to section B. The section B also similar to section 1. In section B, the examiner giving the analyzed based question, mostly understanding based question and information question. So section C has a high weightage. The section C, 4 questions giving the, there is a alternative choice. Okay, 14A, 14B, 15A, 15B, 16A, 16B, 17A, 17B. There is a alternative choice. The student must be select the excellent question. Ante which question is very easy to you, that question only select and write down in examination. So 4 question, 4 into 4 is equal to 16 marks. This is the scoring area. So my dear students, don't lose this section because this is the scoring area. Next we are going to section D. 10 into half is equal to 5. So the student must be practice number of questions and secure the score. So this is the question paper. Second one is question paper analyze. Next we are going to third topic, question paper presentation. Once the preparation is completed, next the students are going to examination hall. How to presentation in examination hall, that is the most important factor. So this is the final stage. The entire preparation is completed. So how to write down the examination, this is the important factor. So that's so the one is the one point means first point, appropriate answer most important. Appropriate answer, and the answer should be satisfy the examiner. Appropriate, not general essay, general exam. So the answer should be satisfy the examiner. The answer should be reflect the question. Appropriate answer means exactly answer rayale, sutti rayadassale. This is the first point. Second point, maintain the neat handwriting. Try to your level. So try to neat handwriting, most important factor. So it is also gain the more marks. And analyze the statements. The examiner giving the most statements. The statement should be read 1 or 2 times and then after analyze the statement. Don't try to as is. Next, point wise write down. So examiner expecting 1 point, 2 point, 3 point or 4 point or 5 point. The essays should be 8 points. And don't try to write down story type. You write down 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And the point wise writing most important. And introduction and conclusion most important in 4 marks. The 4 marks questions expecting examiner introduction to topic and conclusion of the topic and give some suggestions. So examiner asking sometimes give some suggestions, you are also suggest some suggestions. And final, examiner what expecting from you. Examiner what expecting from you. Examiner ఆ క్వశ్చన్ నుండి మీ నుండి ఏం అడుగుతుండు దాన్ని మాత్రమే రాయాలి. సో కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్ 2 to 3 times రీడ్ చేయాలి. ఎగ్జామినర్ సజెషన్స్ అడుగుతుండా, లేదంటే ప్రికాషన్స్ అడుగుతుండా, లేదా నాట్ అంటుండా, లేదా రిలవెంట్ అంటుండా. కాబట్టి ఎగ్జామినర్ వాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. సో యూ షుడ్ సాటిస్ఫై ద ఎగ్జామినర్ expectations. So this is the third topic. Next we are going to discuss about awareness of academic standards. This is the last topic and every student must be awareness of academic standards. Now we are going to discuss about awareness of academic standards. So in our social studies there is a 6 academic standards. So the first one is the conceptual understanding. Second one is the reading the text given, understanding and interpretation. This is the second one. Third one, information skills. Fourth one, reflection on contemporary issues. And fifth one, mapping skills. And last one, appreciation and sensitivity. So this is the last academic standard in our social studies. So in our academic standards, the first one is the most important because it has a more weightage. 40% marks, 32 marks coming from first skill. So student must be focused on first skill, that is the conceptual understanding. So conceptual understanding cover the discussions or examples or observations. In your textbooks there is a lot of stories. try to understand. And in your textbooks there is a lot of examples, in your textbooks a lot of discussions. Every student must be focus on that and get the 40% or 32 marks. Paper 1 16 marks, paper 2 16 marks, total 32 equal to 40. Next we are going to second topic, reading the text given under understanding and interpretation. For example, sometimes given a case study, so you clearly understood the case study and try to interpret the story. Sometimes give the message images also. So student must be read the text carefully 2 or 3 times and try to understand the story and finally interpretation the story. So next third one, information skill. Information skill means paragraph writing. So the examiner already provide the information, so you should carefully read the 2 or 3 times, then after comment on it. Next, reflection on contemporary issues, 10% to 4 marks. Reflection on contemporary issues means current affairs. In our society there is a lot of components in our society. For example, 370 article, reflection on contemporary issue. For example, triple talaq, for example, midday meals, for example, social evil, for example, society facing a lot of problems. What are the problems? As a student convince that, as a student focus on that. So reflection on contemporary issue, most important topic, so giving the 10% marks. And mapping skills, the mapping skills also divided into 3 categories, map drawing and map reading and map pointing. So these topic discuss about later. Next, last one is the appreciation and sensitivity. Appreciation and sensitivity. So in our history, especially paper 2, we are discuss about a lot of characters. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, for example, Subhash Chandra Bose, for example, Lenin, for example, Stalin, for example, Trotsky, for example, Roosevelt, Churchill, and Mao Zedong, Mao, for example, KCR, Narendra Modi. And in our history we are reading the number of characters. So what is your opinion on that leaders? What is your opinion on Gandhi? So the examiner sometimes raise the questions, it is related to appreciation and sensitivity. The student must be appreciate. For example, the Subhash Chandra Bose is the famous freedom fighter in India. Do you know that? And write down some story of Mahatma Gandhi or Subhash Chandra Bose. And that story should be appreciate only. Don't irritate or criticize the character. You should appreciate the character. So this is the last one. So in this class, my dear students, we are discuss about 4 important topics. That is the preparation of a plan, that is the question paper analysis, next third one is the question paper presentation, and the last one is the academic standards. My dear students, I request you one and all, every student try to these 4 components. You should you have a better choice to get the more marks in social studies. Thank you very much.